Welcome to the bird lanes. Homes here almost never come on the market, and I am so excited to show you the one that just did. Welcome to 51 Swan Drive. This 3-bed, 2-bath cape is located on one of the cul-de-sacs of the bird lanes, with woods behind the property and just minutes from Massasoit State Park and Lake Rico. Yeah, definite full-size candy bar potential here. Let me show you inside. Inside, you'll find hardwood floors throughout the first floor, tons of natural light, and a fireplace ready for those cozy New England evenings. The kitchen offers granite countertops, beautiful wood cabinetry, and access to the back deck. Oh, we're not done. This laundry room is big enough to sleep in. And this 2-car garage comes with a loft perfect for storage, hobbies, or that workshop you've always wanted. Upstairs, you'll find a large primary bedroom with built-ins and walk-in closet, 2 additional large bedrooms, and a full bath. With nearly 3/4 of an acre, you can expand the backyard or just enjoy the peace and quiet just the way it is. Either way, it's the perfect spot to enjoy a s'more. Life on Swan Drive is more than just a beautiful home. It's access to trails, kayaking on Lake Rico, and a neighborhood that's truly special. Don't wait. Opportunities like this don't come often in the bird lanes.